Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your email address on Talabat account. So first we're going to go to the Talabat app. Then once you're here, we're going to click on the account section on the lower right corner. Then click on settings on the top right corner. Then once you're here, you're going to click on change email. So you're going to insert a new email, confirm that email and confirm your current password. Then once you're done, you're going to click on submit. So this is how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.